What to do? At last he told that, oh, there is one sharp.
Condition.
That is the condition. If he wants to go there, he can go, but I will bind his eyes by
Blindfold.
huh?
Blindfold.
Black cloth, very tightly. And he can go on Buddha cart. And after that, it is on the hill, I will take his hand and I will take him there. And again I will bind and then return. He can go and see one. That was also agreed to this point. Yes, you can tight my eyes, but I want to go. Girl was so intelligent. She told that I am getting the seeds of sarso, mustard seeds, and it was winter. That was a rainy season. His eyes was very tightly covered. And he sat on the Dula cot. And he took so much that sarso seed. And he was felling one. Whole day. Finally reached that place. He took that black cloth from his eye. And we saw that all beautiful. And his name was Nil Madhav. 400 deities. He was so much charmed. The father told him that wait a little, I am coming just now. Some picking flowers and other things. And I will do archan, and after that we will proceed to our home. Went to pick some flowers here and there, and to make chandan and other things. In the meantime, he went outside of the temple and saw that there is a pond, very beautiful pond. Lotus were there. There was a tree on the bank of that pond. A crow was sitting on the branch of that tree. That branch was on the water. What?
Hanging over the water.
Hanging off the water. And crow was sleeping. He saw that the crow was sleeping. Anyhow, he fell on the water and he died. At once his soul came in 400. Very beautiful, glorious. And he was now, Garud came and he sat down on Garud, the back of Garud. Garud, you know? Garud. And he flew to backward. Oh, very quickly. No practice, nothing he did. He was a crow, taking flesh and all other things, very impure, and even he fell down on that pond, and he became 400, and he went to Vaikuntha. So I should go on the tree, and I will jump from there, and I will go to Vaikuntha. He was ready to climb up on the tree. Half he has climbed. In the meantime, that his father-in-law came. Oh, where you are going there? Come on. He told that I saw this fact, that a crow even in this place became 400 and when he was falling down on this pond. So I wanted to climb on the tree and to jump in that pond so that I will be like 400 Vishnu associates and I will go to bed. Oh, come on. And also a sky, what? Akashvani.
A voice from the sky.
A voice from a sky can. That you will have to be live more. And there are so many things to be done. so don't die. Come on, come on. She went, came, and he saw the worship of that Nil Madhav, and he was over happy, became so happy. After that he binded his eyes with black cloth, and he sat on the placard. They again returned after 7 and 6 hours of dragging on crooked here and there. They came to their home. He waited there for some time, and he told his wife, very soon I am coming, don't be worried. And telling, he went to the kingdom of Indradyumna Maharaj, and he was very much happy. He told the king, I have discovered Nil Madhav. You should try to come with me. He became so happy, and he took his whole family, son, daughter, wife, and counselors, and so much wealth from there. And his all soldiers and generals he took, and he proceeded for Nil Madhav. In 6 months with them, he reached there. At that time, when he reached on the bank of sea, Indian Ocean, and that place, he saw that there was no village. There was no hill, that hill. No, that Nil Madhav. Always covered with sand. So hard. So hard. Like Chatak Parvat, any devotees has gone to Puri, they may have seen Chatak Parvat. Very high, like mountains. He could not discover that where was Nil Madhav and where that village was. He searched here and there but never found. King became disappeared. Disappeared. He came to the sea and he took off his clothes. Passing to the sea, he began to hunger strike. I will die. Oh Nil Madhav, if you will not give darshan. I am so bogus person. I am what? Aparadhi? Offender. That is why you have hidden anywhere. So I will die here. A sound from the sky came. King, don't do like this. I will never give you darshan in the shape of Nil Madhav, but I will give darshan in 3 parts, 4 parts. In Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, and Chakra Sudarshan in 4. Don't be disappointed. Brahma will come and he will help you. After some time, Brahma came. Oh, come with me. I will make darshan of Nil Madhav. Come on with me. And he took his hand. And at once, in a moment he went to Brahmalok and after Vaikuntha. In this Brahmalok, Harilok, and he saw that, oh Nil Madhav, 400, talking and getting darshan to all. Then king prayed him, I am praying you, please come to this world and give your darshan. I have come from his there. He told her, don't be worried. I am coming. In a shape of tree trunk. Trunk, you know? Trunk? Trunk. It will be reddish. And that is sign of chakra. And it will be reddish. So hard. From then, you should make 3 deities. Jagannath, Subhadra, Baldev, and Chakra. And you should establish me there in Puri. Then he disappeared, and when with Brahma he returned to this world, he saw that world is changed, totally changed. But Jagannath was not, that land, Nilachal, was like same. And the inhabitants of that place were also not changed. But whole world was changed. Because it took so much time, it went on Chaturjugi or Kvarti. Then he came there. And he began to do astrology. One day he saw that a very big trunk was coming in the sea, on the waves of sea. He wanted, and he tried so much tried to bring it out, but it was so heavy that it could. So many elephants came. They wanted to take it out of water on the bank, but they also fell. Then he brought her wife, and king was there, and began to pray, "Oh Lord, you should come easily." Telling this, when they touched it, at once came on the bed. And where now is temple, they took it there. They made a very big tent. King announced that anyone who can make 3-4 deities, I will give so much affluence to them and wealth to them. So, from all corners of Odisha, so big artists came to make deity from that wood. But it was so hard, more than iron, anyone could not do. King was worried. At last, one day an old man came. He was so beautiful in old days. Yes. He told that I am Brahmin, I know how to make deities. So I can. He told us, yes, you can. You should. He told that I want 21 days and make a big room and keep this trunk there. Don't close the door. Open the door. It will be closed. And I will go inside with my instruments. And don't open the door till 21 days. He entered, that door was closed. 7 days went. King was thinking that, oh, he may die, he has not taken anything. And there is no sound that he is making anything. Queen was more worried for that. She told that to open the door. Otherwise he will die and Brahmatya will come. Brahmatya means?
Sin of killing a Brahman.
Brahman will come. So open the door. King said, let us wait some more days. But sound will not. It began 13 days, 14th day. But no sound was coming, no sign of anything. He thought that it may be that the Brahman has in 14 days he has changed. And he could not do anything. So firstly, he opened the door. He broke the door and entered. And he saw that Brahmin was smiling. Oh, what you did? I was making, but I have not made his whole hand only up to this, only to this. And only round to eyes are that way. But not in fully. You have disturbed me, so now I cannot do anything. So what I have done, it will be like so. So what shape you see Jagannath in this shape only. And he at once disappeared. Then Brahma came. And they said, you will have to establish this. And he requested Brahma that you should establish. He told that I cannot do. He is a established one. Nothing to do anything. Only you can do Abhishek. So Abhishek was done. Last demigods and all Brahmins, all qualified devotees gathered there, assembled there. And this day, the Thakur was brought in temple, and he told Thakur that today I want to go to Sundarachalam, Gundicha Mandir. And this system was made there. Every day, every year, on this very day, for 9 days, he will go to Sundarachalam. He told that king Indradyumna, that your priest's son who discovered me, he has 2 wives, one Brahmin and other this Daita. He told that the son of the Brahman wife will worship Jagannath, and all their sons and gradually all उनके वंश वाले descendants, and the sons of that Daita lady, they will only cook for them, and only for 9 days they will worship. When Krishna will go to, Jagannath will go to Gundicha Mandir. So they go every year and they cook, and Mahaprasad is given to Jagannath also. This Mahaprasad, even rotten or any dog has taken, but yet it is pure. And anyone can be pure by this Mahaprasad. Those who will see Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, and that they will be pure. And they will go to Vaikuntha, because he was 400. No doubt. But especially the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we call him Brajendanandan Shyam Sundar. So we will not go there. If Krishna will tell that you have to go to Vaikuntha, we will refuse. We will tell that we will go only to Golo Vrindavan. Your fixed abode is there, we will go there. And Sat Radha Krishna Padma. Gaur Pramana. This is the story of Jagannath. I am telling a very new story of Jagannath. About 200, it occurred 200 years before. Any Brahmin out of Odisha, he was too old. He was unable to walk so much. But he has promised that I will go to Jagannath and will see Jagannath. So he was walking, but it was 400 miles to walk. Anyhow, he came to Bhubaneswar, up to Bhubaneswar. It was night about 12. Now his legs were swollen. And he could not walk an inch. He sat down on the side of that road, under a tree. And he was about to die. He was storming, no water, nothing. He had promised that when I will take the darshan of Jagannath, then I will take him. But he was unable to move an inch. And it was dark night. And he also promised that if I will not take darshan today, until this morning, then I will leave my body. He was sitting under a tree and telling, "Oh Jagannath, now I am hopeless. I cannot go. I will die here." In the same moment, a car was coming from anywhere. Just at the where he was sitting, anything became wrong in the car, and car was stopped there. They were trying to make a start, but it was not starting anyhow, and it was so nice. They saw that there is something which has dropped in the oil tanky. So they are wanting anything to take it out, but they were not searching anything. They were searching here and they saw that an old person is there. He has a iron anything, stick, and they wanted that stick to take out that thing. So they took out. Oh Baba, from where you are coming? Why you are coming? Oh, I was going to Jagannath. But I cannot walk, I cannot go, I will die. They took that stick, and by the help of that stick, easily they made a start the car. Now the car was started. They told the Baba, come with me in this car. And they took that old Baba in their car and they drive. At just 4 in the morning they reached Jagannath temple. A Brahmin was searching this person. He told that, oh, you are old person, what you want? I want to take darshan. Oh, come with me. And he took anyhow and helped, and he took that to Jagannath. He took the darshan. And he was feeling that I am not, my spelling has done, my everything, and now, okay, no. And he was praying to Jagannath. Oh, you are so kind that I could not come, but you sent a car for me. And the car was stopped there only for me. And they took me and I have come. A person said, oh, do you want to take prasadam? You should take Jagannath. And he gave prasadam. He took also prasadam. And he became very nice. So this is not a story, but this is a fact. I am known from very realized source. So you can believe in Jagannath. Today is the Rath festival of Jagannath. Our whole day has gone in this. All glorifying Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, Kirtan, Rath Jatra, here also. Then every year I have a Jagannath Rath festival in Mathura. Every year. I was not there. Anyhow, I am happy that you have helped me to make a Rath Jatra festival here, and I am joining, I am testing, and I am doing Kirtan with all, and all they are happy. So I think you will have the grace of Jagannath. We should tell Jagannath, we don't want to go to Vaikuntha with 400. If you are pleased to us, then what you should do? What you should do? You can be merciful to us that we may serve your most beloved in Vrindavan, in Radha Kunda. Who is so beloved of Krishna? Srimati Radha. So if you are Shyama Sundar, Shikhanda Shekhar, Ismeya Murali Manohar, Radhika Rasikman Kripa Nide Swapriya Charana Krim Karikar. Raghunath Das Goswami said, oh Shyam Sundar, if you are pleased to me, if are most valuable to me, then I want that you should make my name on the register of Srimati Radhika's Dasi. My name should be written there. And I want to be. I don't want anything. I want only thing. Krishna told me, yes, and I agree. So, Valli is that home. We are chanting, remembering Hare Krishna, this is the embodiment of Krishna and Srimati Radhika. Anyhow, if they are placed to give some benediction, we only request Krishna that we want to serve your most beloved Srimati Radhika. We don't want anything. You should please write our name on the register of where? Radhika Das, the Kinkari of Das. Gaur Praman, Jai Jagannath Dev ki, Satra Devi ki, Gurudev Prabhu ki, Gaur Praman. Any kirtan?
I think it's really good. The next program is of giving, there will be a dance and a play for your pleasure if you want.
Oh, there's a program?
Yes, Gurudev.
What program?
There will be one Indra Jira Didi. She will perform.
Oh yes.
She will perform.
You should make any place there.
Yes. No, she has requested me if the devotees, if the Prabhus should come to this side and Didis go to that side, she should have some space in the middle. Just
Oh, in middle. You should go. From two sides you will see. That's it. But you should. Okay. Namami Nanda. That's it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Om Vishnu Padaya, and after that, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, after that. Namo Vishnu Padaya Divya.
No microphone?
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vasaya Bhutale Namaste Bhaktivedanta Swami Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Vasaya
Krishna, right arm takes him back to Radharani, and there Krishna closes Radharani in his arms. After that will be 1 minute pranam for everybody, and then that's the end of my short program today. Thanks. I will continue now my namaskar.
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनस्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वी नामधीतवस्तु मा विद्विषावहै शांति शांति शांति। आंगिकं उपनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्र तारादि त्वं वन्दे सात्विकं शिवं शिवम्
Actually, since that all humans are same. The society takes changing, and Krishna don't. And he saw that at once whole universe in his mouth, and he was afraid. Why it changed? Is it magic? Or any demigods had done? Or who has done? Or any ghost has come in mouth of Krishna. So Very good.
So, good, eh? Prem Praveen and his party. Oh, it's not finished.
विन्दति चन्दन विन्दुकरमल
Yeah, 1 hour also silent now.